Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. If you're using Microsoft Bookings to streamline your appointment scheduling, you'll want to ensure your booking page reflects your brand and meets your business needs. In this video, I will show you step by step how to customize your Microsoft Bookings page. So either you're setting it up for the first time or tweaking it for a professional touch, I've got you covered. So here, the first thing you need to do here is to, of course, first log into your Microsoft 365 account and then navigate to Microsoft Bookings. And then once you're on the dashboard, you'll be able to select the business or team calendar you want to customize. So as you can see here, this is the main dashboard of the Microsoft Bookings before signing in. So here you can learn more about this website. So right now guys, I am now signed up. So here you'll be able to see here the dashboard of this Microsoft account. So what you need to do here is to click on the booking page tab in the left hand menu. Here you will see all the customization options for your booking page. And of course, now let's start with the general settings here. So the booking page visibility. So decide either your page is public or restricted to specific people with a link. So this is useful if you only want select clients to access your page. And of course, the time zone and the region. Here guys, you need to ensure your time zone is correctly set to avoid scheduling conflicts. So this website is automatically detects your client time zone as well. And here in the booking policy, choose either to allow customer to cancel or schedule appointments here. So here you can also set minimum notice periods for bookings, cancellations, and reschedules. So setting a minimum notice period like 24 hours can save you from last minute cancellations here. So also guys, in adding branding and custom design, it is time to add your personal touch here. So here is how to add a brand for your booking page. So of course, you need to have your company logo. You need to upload your logo to give your page a professional appearance. So the page color scheme, choose a color theme that matches your branding. So here you can select from the default options or use custom hex code for precise color schemes. So in the header section, the header text and description, you can add there a welcoming message or business description to help clients understand your services here. So now guys, let's customize your services. So this is where you define what your clients can book here. For example, the first one is the service name. So ensure each service has a clear and professional name. Descriptions, you can add detailed descriptions for each service so clients know exactly what to expect here. And of course, the pricing. Specify pricing for each service if applicable. And the staff alignment, assign specific staff members to services. So you can also let clients choose their preferred staff during booking. And main tip here guys is to use concise yet informative descriptions for services to keep your page user friendly here. So Microsoft Bookings guys, they also offers advanced options to refine your page further. So they have their custom fields. So you can add there a specific questions to the booking.com. So such as dietary preferences or events or meeting agendas here. They also have their email notifications. So on this part, you have here your personalized confirmation and reminder that email sent to your clients. And the third one is the payment. So if your business requires upfront payments, you can integrate with Stripe for a seamless experience. So adding a custom field ensures you get all the necessary information upfront, making appointments smoother for both you and your clients here. So once you've made your changes, it is time to preview your booking page. So click on the preview booking page, so button at the top of the screen. And of course, you can review how your page looks from a client perspective here. So if everything looks good, you can click now the save to publish your updated booking page. So here guys, as you can see here, you'll be able to see here that I am now making a event on this calendar guys. So this calendar is integrated with Outlook and the Microsoft 365. So as you can see here, I am adding here the title, and I can also add here the location of my event here. So you can also add here guys, once you made your changes, it is time to preview your booking page. So you can click on the preview booking page button at the top of the screen and review how your page looks from a client perspective. So don't forget guys, if everything looks good, you can click save to publish your updated booking page. So here I am adding my description here guys. So you can also add here a documents guys from your computer, or you can also add here images and add some stickers. So as you can see here, what we'll do here is right after you're done, you can now save it. So here, the button of the save button, you just need to click on that one, and you will be able to see here the event that you made on the day that you made here. So if you found this tutorial helpful guys, you can still ask some questions on the comment section guys, or have a better understanding about this tutorial. And here you will be able to see here the event we've made. Don't worry guys, you can still delete this one guys. So in my another video, I just have a tutorial about how to delete a Microsoft booking page. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips on streamlining your business tools. So, and that's it guys. Customizing your Microsoft booking page is a simple yet powerful way to make scheduling easy for your clients while showcasing your brand. And lastly, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below because I would love to help. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more tips on streamlining. So thanks for watching and happy booking guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So here guys, this is the ending of our tutorial here. As you can see here, this is the services and subscription. You can see here your first month is free. You can access productivity apps on these features. So that's it guys. See you in my next video and wait for my next tutorial about the Microsoft bookings. Bye!